Betty Sayers here with Buzz Savories, and today we're going to be speaking and showing you how to make a Reuben sandwich. This is one of our famous Nebraska sandwiches that has been in our history since the early 1900s. And the book I am showing you is a cookbook that was developed from the Schimmel family, and it's very precious to me and valuable because each of these recipes is stunning. We'll be speaking about ingredients, and the prime ingredient next to spicy beer mustard is corned beef. And I wanted just to show you that this corned beef was baked, and the recipe for the corned beef and for the Reuben is in our website recipes, and you can just search for this with corned beef. Then we have Swiss cheese. Next we have sauerkraut. Then this is the sauces, the sauce ingredients. We have Thousand Island dressing, a horseradish cream sauce, and the star of the show is spicy beer mustard. I have made the sauce, and it is simply equal amounts of the Thousand Island, the horseradish, and spicy beer mustard. And I mixed 2 tablespoons of each. This is what it looks like. You can make any amount, just be sure that you have equal amounts of each of those. Let's make the sandwiches, and you'll notice this is a dark bread. It's very common. You can buy it, you can use the whole wheat bread, but the dark bread is good looking. I like to look at it. And the first step is spreading the sauce. And I'm going to be plentiful here because the sauce is the key ingredient. It adds wonderful flavor. And I'm putting it on both sides. And you can put less or more on, your decision. Okay. And secondly, I want to put the meat on the bread. Okay. There. Now I'm adding the sauerkraut. The sauerkraut goes in the middle, and the sauerkraut has been drained thoroughly because we don't want the wetness to be the problem with the grilling. So use plenty. I like sauerkraut also. Then the last step, Swiss cheese. And just a thin slice. There. We put the tops on, and then with your brush, you're going to just be adding some butter here. Lightly, lightly, lightly. Make sure you butter both sides. This is my mother's grill, and it's probably purchased in the 1950s, if not before, but it's very fun to use. And we will let it grill until the cheese melts, and the top will not be crusty, but it'll be a little bit toasted. Toasted, melted cheese, and now we slice. It is fabulous.